I got a dirty little secret this time that you're gonna love. Let's get to it. When you're rebuilding your engine at home, you of course don't want to half-ass it putting it together. One of the things you want to take care of is you want to clean the carbon out of the combustion chamber. Carbon can create hot spots and cause overheating, so if you have the engine apart, you might as well take care of it. One thing I've always used, I'll soak the carbon down with WD-40. It's not harsh, it's not going to ruin anything. I'll let it soak for a little while, and then I'll take a green Scotch-Brite pad and just scrub it off. And for the most part, I've had pretty good luck with this. I haven't had much stuff that's stuck on that badly, and this works great. So let's go see how it works. All right, guys, my battery's dying on my microphone. Forgive me for flying through this, but you can see I've got WD-40 in there. It's only been sitting for a few minutes, so this might not be the greatest demonstration. But if you let this sit for a little while and soak in, this will soften the carbon right up and it'll come right off. Now you can see my gloves turning black. It's already pulling the carbon off. I'm going to go ahead, yeah, you can see on this edge here. My battery and my microphone's dying, so please forgive me for rushing through this. But you can see the edge of this combustion chamber here is already starting to get much cleaner. If I would have left this sit longer, this would have fallen right off. You're going to want to get in there with some elbow grease. No one ever said engine building's easy. So I'm going to spray another coat on here, let this sit. You have to try this at home for yourself. This works pretty well. Again, I'm sorry, my battery in my microphone's dying and I can't go get one today. So I'm going to fly through this. You can see from the video, I'll spray a little more in there. Hey, you can probably see how shiny that is now. You can see that this combustion chamber is cleaning right up. Again, I haven't done this with really heavy carbon buildup, but I'm assuming you would just have to let it sit longer. They make a WD-40 can that's just a squirt bottle, like a bottle of Windex, and that would actually work better in this application. The aerosol blows too much stuff around. That would be just nice because you could really spray it on there and let it soak in. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope this helps you guys at home. Again, I'm Jim Murphy. This is You Break It, You Fix It. Please like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time when You Break It, You Fix It. Thanks, guys.